Good morning children, welcome to Guru Institute. Today we are going to see the problems based on convex mirror, convex lens and concave lens. Okay, right? Just see the problem. An object of height 5 centimeter is placed at a distance of 12 centimeters in front of a which lens? Here he has given convex lens. Okay, right. So whose focal length is 8 centimeter. Then find the nature of the image formed. For any problem in your mathematics or anywhere, if you've done the problem, first write down the data. Given data, you have to write. So what is the given data? Given. Which mirror, which lens it is? Convex lens. Convex lens. So just note down the value. What is the given? Object height. So that is h naught. Is how much? 5 centimeter. So next is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter. So object means that is u. U is how much? 12 centimeter. So next in front of a convex lens, right? Whose focal length is? What is the focal length? How much it is? 8 centimeter. So then automatically if you know the focal length, what we can take? R value. R is nothing but 2f. 2 8 16. So 16 centimeter. Okay, right. Whose focal length is 8 centimeter. Then find the nature of the image formed. So first you have to find what is the case at which position it is drawn. So just you have to draw it is placed. You have to just draw the rough diagram. Okay. So where is there? U is 12 centimeter. F is 8. It is 16. So focus point is at 8 centimeter and center of curvature is at 16 centimeter. Then where the object is placed at 12 centimeter. So 12 centimeter means, I don't know what is that in between F and C. So what is the result in between F and C? The image is found beyond the C. So we have to draw the rough diagram for this one. So what is this one? A small rough diagram. This is what? Convex lens. So this is the principal axis. Pole, focus, center of curvature C2, F2, F1, C1. Okay, right? So next, where is the image is placed? Object is placed. Okay, right. So this is 0. This is which position? 8 centimeter position. This C is which position? 16 centimeter position. Where the object is placed? 12 centimeters. So 12 centimeters means here, in between 8 and this one. So this is the object. So what is the nature we have? Parallel to principal axis. Okay, whatever it may be. So I am need not to draw all this one. Between F and C. Between F and C means where should you will get beyond the C. Okay, simply you can take this one. Beyond C it will be found. Alright, next. So like this the image will be found. So already we know that. From the picture only we can know that. What is that? Beyond C means it is a enlarged image. So enlarged image and is a inverted one and real. Inverted, so real and simply it is a enlarged one. So finding the nature of the image, you will get the more than 5 centimeter height. Then your answer is correct. And so we have to apply the sign convention here. So you have to apply the sign convention here. What will be? It should be like this. Just see here. So according to sign convention, okay, once again we have to apply from the pole in the same direction of the incident rays. So that is positive, opposite that is negative. Right. PO, rays are from left to right. PO is right to left. Rays are like this. This is opposite direction. So what happened? What would happen here? So opposite direction, so that is negative. PO is U. Okay, right? That is negative. Then F should be what we have taken. Already I told you. F is what? It is a real image, right? So you can take as a positive. So F is positive means R is also positive. So H naught, this is above the principal axis. So this is the positive. Okay? Right. Now we have to apply which formula we have to use? Now what is the nature of the image found? So he is asking about V. Sorry. So he is asking about the V. V is how much? He is asking. So next, what is the next one he is asking? HI. HI is how much? He is asking. So simply, in order to get the V, you can use the lens formula. In order to get the HI, you are using the magnification formula. What is the lens formula we are using here? 1 by F is equals to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Already I told you, For unknown terms, no need to apply the sign convention. For known terms only, you have to apply the sign convention. Just simply substitute here. What is the f value? 8. 1 by 8. That is equals to 1 by v we have to find, right? So keep it like this only. So minus should be minus in the formula 1 by, what is the u value? U value is what? Minus 12. You can take minus 12. X is minus 12. So then f is positive, I am taking positive. So minus minus, u should be negative. You can take negative. So then what is the next one? So next step, minus minus get cancelled, it should be a positive. Then what is the next step? 1 by v is equals to 1 by 8. This 1 by 12 coming to the left side, it should be the minus 1 by 12. So now take the LCM. So or simply you can multiply these two. So what do you get? 1 by v that is equals to 1 by v that is equals to totally watch. You will get 12 8 ja. 12 into 8. 12 8 ja. How much? Okay, right? 96. So then 12 into 1, 12. Minus should be minus 8 1 ja. 8. Okay, right? So 12 8 ja. How much? 96, right? So 96 there. So 12 into 1, 12. 8 1 ja. 8. So then simply what you get? 1 by v is equals to 12 minus 8. How much? 4. 4 by 93. But we don't need 1 by v. We need what? V. So simply reciprocal is v is equal. V by 1 is equals 96 by 4. Left side numerator by denominator becomes denominator by numerator. Then after right side also that is reversed. So v by 1 equals 96 by 4. Then simply cancel it. What do you get? 4 1 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. Remaining how much? 1. 1 and 6. 16. 4 4 ja 16. What do you get? V is equals 24 centimeter. He has given in centimeter. You can write centimeter. Or meters, meter. You can write. So let's check it is correct or not. So simply after C. What is the C value here? 16. So you are getting 24. So your answer is correct. After C it is formed, right? Then again you have to check the which one? Sign convention. So you are getting positive value. So it is positive or negative, we can check. Where is the image? Image is formed here. So incident rays are moving left to right and in image also from left to right only. Same direction. Okay, Pi and this rays direction. Both are same direction. So we are getting here V is positive. So both are correct. Sign convention is positive, that is correct. After C means 16 after which answer you will get, that all are correct. You are getting correct answer. V is equal 24. Now going to find the HI by using which one? Magnification formula. You can get this one by magnification formula. What is the magnification formula here? Compared to the mirror, a little bit different. What is the HI by H naught? That is equals to plus V by U, not minus. So simply substitute. What is HI? That is only you have to find, right? So HI. So then what is H naught? Apply the sign convention. So plus 5. So automatically plus 5. No need to write the plus. Is equals to V by U. What is the V value you are getting? 24. And V sign is what? Plus only. So that is 24 by U. Where is the U? U is here. How much? What is that? Minus 12. You can write minus 12. So then automatically what is the next one? 12 1 ja, 12 2 ja. Then do the cross multiplication. This minus coming to the, what is that? Numerator. Whenever the denominator minus is there, you can take it to numerator. Minus coming to there, minus 2 into 5 going to here, cross multiply. Either division, either multiplication. Therefore, HI is equal to what? How much? 5 2 ja, 10. So simply minus 10 centimeter. Okay, what we are getting image HI is equal minus 10 centimeter. Minus indicates whether it is inverted or erected. If you are getting minus, that is the inverted. If you are getting positive, that is erected. So that means inverted. Minus you get inverted. So that is correct. Then compared to this is one, which one? Enlarged image, right? Then you are getting the more than of the object. What is the object height? 5 centimeter. Here you are getting 10. So this is also correct. So this is the way we are getting the, what is the nature of the image. So first simply no need, just check it once. First take the given data, write down as it is, and then what he is asking you have to write. Then draw the rough picture. Then by seeing the rough picture, apply the sign convention for plus and minus. So by using this one, just observe H naught, HI is there, HI is required. So you can think that magnification is applied. So then by seeing F, U and asking for V, F, U, V, which formula is there? Lens formula is there. We have to apply the lens and this is the total simplification. And after answer you can check it. Okay, okay, my children. So next, same to same, we have to apply this for our next lens. Which is our next lens? Concave lens. How it should be like, we will check it. Same problem. Okay, so same problem. What is there? This is the data is not changed, just pluses or minuses will be changed. We will apply later. Just see here. Okay, so again formula also same. So remaining would be changed. How they would be changed, we have to see here. So again, you have to draw the rough diagram. Same data. If he is asking for concave lens, what it should be? Okay. So then, what it should be? So we have to draw the picture again. Already know that in a concave lens, what happened? Anywhere you can take, the total image is formed in between P and F only. So by without doing the problem also, you can tell the answer between P and F. P is where 0, F is where 8. That means you will get the 0 to 8 only answer. Okay. We have to see this one. P, F2, C2, F1, C1, right? So next object is placed where? At 12 centimeter. So as is. So as is like before, F is where? 8. So next C is where? 16 centimeter. 16 centimeter. And object is where? 12 centimeter. So you can take the 12 centimeter object. So this is the 12 centimeter between this one. So what do you get? This is the incident. This is the refracted. This is the pole. So where you are getting the image? So here we are getting the image. This one should be the image. So this is the image. This is the object. From the picture, what you can conclude? Already we know that between P and C, between P and F image is formed. That is a diminished one. That is a virtual one. That means erected. You will get. That means erected means in case of HI, what you get? Positive. If you get, that is correct. And HI value should be below 5. Then your answer is correct. Okay. Then PI. Okay. Before going to that, B. Next, first we have to apply the sign convention. PO. What is that? First of all, object. Object is above the principal axis. So this should be positive. Object above the principal axis, positive. Next, U. PO. Rays are going like this. PO is like this, opposite direction. That's why negative. Next, F. Simple logic. For F, what is that? This is a virtual image, right? So you can take F as the negative. F is negative or R also negative. Then what about V? PI, like this. Image, rays are from left to right. Image is from right to left. PI. Opposite direction. You will get the V is negative. If you get V negative, then only your answer is correct. Then now apply. Okay, I understood. Just simply apply this one. 1 by F is what? Minus H. Always apply the sign convention for unknown terms only. 1 by V we don't know. That is equals to minus should be minus 1 by what is the U value here? Minus 12. Again same. Minus minus get cancelled. Then what is the next step? 1 by V is equals to, this minus, denominator minus should be coming to the numerator. Minus 1 by 8. Minus 1 by 8. This plus 1 by 8. So sorry, this plus 1 by 12 coming to the left side. What will happen? This should be the minus 1 by 12. Just observe. Minus should be going to the numerator, that is minus 1 by 8. And positive coming to the left side, that is should be the negative. Okay. So right. Next coming to this one. What is the simplification you will get? Simple simplification. 1 by V is equals to, again same, 12 8 ja 96, 12 1 ja 12, minus 12 minus only, so then minus should be minus, right? 8 1 ja 8. So again take the next step. What is that? 1 by V minus 12 minus 8. If the both are minus, you can make as a positive and keep the minus sign. Okay, so minus 12 plus 8 20 by 96. Again I am repeating same. We don't need 1 by V. We need what? V. Just simply reciprocal it. V by 1, that is equals to, minus should be minus only, 96 by 20. 96 by 20 means what? 96 by 20. For 20 you can take, okay, whatever it may be. I am taking this one, I am cancel this one. 2 10 ja 20. 2 4 ja. 2 4 ja how much? 8. Remaining 1. 16. 2 8 ja 16. Simply 48 2 ja 96, right? So what is there? 48 by 10. Simply you can take what? You can take a decimal point, 4.8 centimeter. Right? Let's check. V should be negative. So V should be negative. So that is correct. and V is what? Below, between P and F, you will get the answer. What is the F value here? 8. So 0 to 8 only, you will get the answer. That is only correct. So your 4.8, that is between 0 to 8 only. So your answer is correct. Now coming to the magnification. What do you get? That is below 5 and that is a positive value. Okay, right. Just apply here magnification. Again, same magnification is equals to HI. The H naught is equals to V by U. So again, what is HI? That is only you have to calculate, right? So HI by what is H naught? No. H naught is what? Plus 5, right? So you can take the plus 5. That is equals to V. What do you get? V minus 4.8, right? So this minus indicates you what? That is a which one? Virtual image it shows, right? So minus, okay, that means reverse time, okay? What did it mean? Minus 4.8. So if you get minus, that is a which one? Concave lens. Minus 4.8 as is. Why? Because we are applying the sign convention. What is the next one? U. Where is the U? U again you will get the minus 12. Sign convention as it is you have to apply. HI only. H naught is what? 5 only. And V is how much? Minus 4.8. And U is how much? Minus 12. Right. Now cancel it. Minus get cancel. Then again cross multiplication. HI is equals 4.8 by 12. This 5 going to here into 5. Suppose observe here just clearly. If you cancel this point, what do you get in the denominator? In the place of point, you are getting 1. After point, how many decimals are, how many points are decimals are there? 1. So that is 10. Okay. So then this is 48, this is 12. Then what do you get? 12 1 ja, 12 4 ja. Next observe. Next what is the observation? 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. Over. So what do you get simply? 4 into 1, 4, 1 into 2, 2. 4 by 2, how much? 2. Again the last step. What is the last step? 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So simply, finally what do you get? 12 4 ja 48, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. So 2 2 ja. So simply we are getting HI is equals how much? 2 centimeter. And you are getting which one? Positive or negative? Positive only. So positive means erected only. That means above the principal axis only. 2 centimeter. So automatically that is the diminished one. So your answer is correct. So observe this one again. Simply I am not need not to by heart anyone. So simply I am writing the data and drawing the picture. From the picture I am taking the sign convention signs, positive or negative, and applying. By seeing that one, it is the suitable formula here we have to apply. So I am applying, I am going to simplification, and this is applied and going to simplification. But only one thing remember, for known terms only you have to apply the sign convention. For unknown terms, you need not to apply the sign convention. Now see the problem. What is the refractive index? What is asking? Refractive index, that is what? Small n of convex lens. Which lens given here? Convex lens. What is the refractive index of convex lens? Which is kept in air. That means that is kept in the open air. Its focal length is 40 centimeter and radii of curvature of its two spherical surfaces are 30 and 60 respectively. And what he is asking, what is given? He is asking for N and given focal length F, and radii of curvature is nothing but radius of curvature means single, radii of curvature means plural. So he has given R1 and R2. So simply write the given data. Then you can know the idea. Okay, given data. What is the lens given? Convex. Okay, right, convex lens. Right. So just write the data, given data. So then you can know the values. What is asking? What is the refractive index? N is how much? Okay, right. Next, convex lens over focal length. What is the focal length given? How much? 40 centimeter. Focal length is 40 centimeter. And radii of curvature of two spherical surfaces are 30 and 60 respectively. Means first one R1, second one R2 respectively. Means so R1 is how much? 30 centimeter given. R2 is how much? 60 centimeter given. So let's we have to write the sign formula, sign conventions here. For N there is no sign convention. Okay. F means this is which lens here? Convex lens, right? Convex lens is a which one? Real image. Real means positive. Real image means what you should take? Positive only. Right? Positive. Real image, convex lens. So that's why you can take as a positive. Next, R1 and R2. It is positive. Automatically the respective first one is also positive. Then R2 should be negative. Okay. Right? So now which formula we have to apply? Just observe. He has given F, R1, R2 and asking for N. So what is that? Right. Simply lens maker's formula we have to use. What is the lens maker's formula here? 1 by F is equals N minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. This is the lens maker's formula. Simply substitute all these one, you will get the answer. 1 by, what is F here? Focal length, right? So 1 by plus 40. So 40. So that's why I'm asking, I'm writing only 40, right? No need to write plus. 1 by 40 is equal to n not given. That is only you have to write. You have to find n minus 1 into. Just keep observation clearly here. 1 by, I'm writing. Minus should be minus. 1 should be 1 by. Okay. Then write this one. R1. R1 is what? Positive. So plus 30. For plus, you don't need to write plus. Okay. Plus 30. Then R2. R2 is what here? What here? Minus 60. You can write minus 60. So this should be important. Just let's once again check it. Pluses and minus. So 1 by F. F is 40. 40 only. N minus 1. R1 is positive. Positive only. R2 is negative. Minus 16. So let's cancel these one. Minus minus. So this should be positive. So then what is the next step? What is the next step we have to write? So after this one, 1 by 40, like right here, 1 by 40 only. Okay, right? So 1 by 40 should be 1 by 40 only. So then what is the next one? After 1 by 40, that is equals to n minus 1. So 1 by 40, that is equals to n minus 1 into, take the LCM. What is LCM? 30 into 60. No need to take total LCM. Just simply cross multiply it one. 30, 60. What happened? 3 6 is 18, 2 zeros, 1800. Okay. If you are interested, you can take LCM. Okay. That is the only method. But for easy calculation, I'm just cross multiplying both one. 30 into 60, 3 6 is 18, 1800. 61 ja 60. This is plus only. 31 ja 30. That's it. So what is the next step? So 1 by 40 should be 1 by 40 only. Okay, no change. So that is n minus 1 should be n minus 1 only. Next, 60 plus 30. 61 is 60, 31 is 30, right? 60 plus 30, how much? 90, right? 60 plus 30, how much? 90 and 1800 as usual. So then what do you get here? 0, 0 get cancel. 9 1 ja cancel. 9 2 ja 18, 0 asterisk. Or simply 90 into 20, 1800. 0 0 get cancel. 9 1 ja, 9 2 ja 0. So then what do you get next? 1 by 40 asterisk. N minus 1 asterisk. This is what? N minus 1. Okay, right. N minus 1 asterisk. Then that is into 1 by 20. 1 by 20. What is the next one? This 20 come into this side. What will happen? Here what you can see? N minus 1 is multiplied by 1 by 20. Suppose if you assume here by 1. Then what will happen? N minus 1 into 1, n minus 1. 1 into 20, 20. Where is the 20 is there? In the denominator. It is coming to this side. Where it is going there? It is going to the numerator. 1 by 40 into. Simply see here, n minus 1 into n minus 1, 1 into 20, 20. This is in the denominator. That is means it is divided. It is coming to the left side. What happened? It is multiplied into 20. That is equal. What is this one? N minus 1. N minus 21. N minus 1 into 1, n minus 1. So what you get here? 21 ja, 22 ja. So what is the next step? 1 into 1, 1, 2. So here what is there? In the denominator nothing is there, right? 2 into 1, 2. So 1 by 2 is called n minus 1 we are getting. But what I require n minus 1, not n minus 1. I require n only. So simply just observe this one for our convenience. Okay, right? So I want to get what is that? N minus 1 only. So simply what is that? What is that one? N minus 1. See here. N minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Then what will happen? This minus 1 coming to this side. What happened? Plus 1. N is equals to minus 1 coming to here. Left side. What is that? Plus 1. So 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1. Simply n is equal. 1 by 2 means what? 1 by 2 means what? 0.5. Right? Plus 1. 1 plus 0.5 how much? How much? 1.5. So this is your final answer. Okay, right? So just observe this one once again. See here. What I is given, I am writing the data. So by seeing this one, we have to apply this, which formula here? Lens makers formula is suitable for here. I am writing this one. Whether it is a convex lens, these are positive, this should be negative, and apply signs and do the simplification. See here. So here, this is the multiplied, but after multiply, this is coming to denominator. I am taking into the left side, that is into 20. 21 ja, 22 ja, n minus 1 is equal 1 by 2. This minus 1 coming to here, what is that? Plus 1. Then that is 1 by 2, simply what is that? 0.5. No need to take LCM again, that is a lengthy one, okay? Simply 1 by 2 is 0.5. 0.5 plus 1, that is 1.5. So then what is the refractive index of the convex lens? That is 1.5, okay, right? Just observe this for 2 seconds. Then same data, we are applying for the concave lens. What is the answer? It should be varied. We will check, okay? Right. So now, same to same data, we have to apply this for a which lens? We have another lens now. That is what? Concave lens. Anything will be changed, we will see. Okay? Right. Given data, same. Which lens here? The lens is changed. Okay, right. Remaining all, I will rub it. What would be changed? Anything change or both are same? We have to observe by using this formula and problem. Okay, right? So next. Okay, right. So this is about this one. Which lens it is? Which lens it is? Concave lens. Right. For concave lens, we can see n how much? Focal length 40, radius of curvature 30, and this is 60. What is changed? Only sign convention change. Why? Because concave lens, it's a virtual image. Virtual means this should be, f should be negative. F is negative means the first surface also negative. The first radius of curvature is negative means exactly opposite is positive. Just observe. It is a virtual one, so that's why focus should be negative. Focal length is negative. The focal length is always applicable to the first one only. Negative should be, it is also negative. R is equal to F formula, we have to apply the first one. So then it is negative, this should be a positive. Again, same to same. Sign convention formula you have to apply and substitute, you will get the answer. What is that one? So, okay, in the previous it is a lengthy one. So this is a concave lens. Already we are there. So I am directly writing the steps here. That means formula 1 by F is equals to n minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Just apply the sign conventions carefully. Okay, don't need to confuse. 1 by F is how much? Minus 40. You can take minus 40 is equals to n, should be n only, minus 1. Then by minus by 1 should be 1, 1 should be 1. Okay, right? R1. What is R1? R1 is what here? Minus 30. Right? As is minus 30. Next, what is how much? Plus 60. Right? 60. Okay. This is 1. R1 minus 30. Minus is in the formula I am writing as is minus 1. R2 is 60. 60. Okay. Right. Next, there is no cancellation possible. Right? So simply write the next here. Minus going to the numerator. Always, if you have any minus in the denominator, move into the numerator. Minus 1 by 40, that is equals to n minus 1. Okay, right? So just now I told you minus 30. This is because what? Minus 1 by 30. Numerator minus 1 by 30. This should be minus 1 by 60. Again, take the LCM. So, okay, for no need to take the LCM, take the direct simplification. This is what? Minus 1 by 40. That is equals to n minus 1. Okay. Next, that is into total LCM. How much we are taking? 30 into 60. How much? 3 6 ja 18. 1800. Next 61 ja 60. 31 ja 30. Both are minus. So in the above, minus 60 minus 30. See here. 61 ja 60. Minus 1 into 60 minus 60. Minus 1 into 30 minus 30. 31 ja 30. 61 ja 60. So just observe the what is the signs. Okay, right? So both are minus only. So now if both are minus, what we have to take? We have to add it, right? So minus 1 by 40, that is equal to n minus 1 into what do you get? Minus 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 only. 60 plus 30, 90 by 1800. Again, same to same calculation, same cancellation. 0, 0. 9 1 ja, 9 2 ja, 0 should be 0. 9 1 ja, 9 2 ja, right? Then what do you get here? Minus, okay, right? Minus 1 by 40, that is equals to n minus 1 into minus 1 by 20. Okay, right? So minus 1 by 20. Simply you have to move this to this total minus 1 by 20, you have to move into the left side. What do you get? N minus 1 is equals to minus 1 by 40 into 20 by 1. But it should be minus. It should be minus. Okay, see here, no need to confuse. Okay, right? Simply see here, n minus 1 here, this is multiplied here, this is coming to here, what happened? What is that? Division. So minus 1 by 40 into, what happened? Minus 20 by 1. Numerator become denominator, or otherwise simply n minus 1 into 1, n minus 1. Okay, here 20 is denominator, coming to here, numerator by 1 by 1. So next what happened? 21 ja, 22 ja. Then again minus get cancelled, minus into minus plus. What do you get here? 1 1. Okay, 21 ja 20. Or otherwise simply see here only, minus get cancelled. Both denominator you can cancel either side of the equation. 21 ja 22 ja. Minus cancel, 21 ja 22 ja. What do you get? 1 by 2. Simply 1 by 2 again. So here also 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 1. So simply what do you get the answer here? Final answer. So n minus 1 is equals to 1 by 2. If you cancel here also, you can cancel both here also. 21 ja 22 ja. Simply what happened? 1 by 2 you will get. Okay. So n minus 1 into 1, n minus 1, that is 1 by 2. So next n is equal to what? 1 by 2. This minus 1 going to that side, plus 1. Again n is equal to what? This is 0.5 plus 1. What do you get? Final answer, n is equal 1.5. What do you observe from these two cases? What do you observe? Both the refractive index are same. Concave lens and convex lens, if they are having the equal focal length and equal radius of curvature. So this is the about the lens makers formula application of lens makers formula. This one, observe this one. Okay, now simply you have to write the data, and from the data what you are asking, simply write. By seeing this all this one, you have to note down in that formula. Just substitute which formula is suitable. First you have to think out of 4 formulas and substitute and do the simplification. When I do the simplification, you have to observe about minus. Why it is same means simple logic. Here what happened? This side minus, both should be cancelled. Always you are getting the same. This is about the refractive index. Refractive index has no signs, right? So that's why the both should be same. Okay, right. Suppose same data, if you has given the refractive index is 1.5, same data. Suppose what is the focal length of a concave lens? If its refractive index is 1.5 and radius of curvature is 30 and 60. Then in this one, if you do the problem, you will get the refractive index minus 40. Suppose same data, refractive index of a convex lens is 1.5. He has given the answer that 1.5, and its focal length. And what is its focal length? If its radius of curvature is 30 and 60, then you will get plus 40. There would be change. Minus and plus, but n has no minus, no plus, so that's why both are same. For this understanding purpose, I am taking the same example, right? Are you clear? Now we are going to the next formula application. Okay, children. So now next concept. So see this example. An object is placed at a distance of 8 centimeter in front of a curved transparent surface, whose radius of curvature is 8 centimeter. Observe this. Its radius of curvature is 8 centimeter. And object also placed at 8 only. And refractive index of both the mediums are 1 and 1.5. Then find the image, then where is the image is formed. That means nature of the image. This is not a convex lens and this is not a concave. It's a curved surface. So simply we know that we can use the curved surface formula. So I am directly writing this one. So simply what is the given data? Object distance u and radius of curvature r and n1, n2. So given data is what? Given. So what is the first one given? Object distance u, that is how much? 8 centimeter. So for this also we can apply the sign rules. So then radius of curvature is how much? That is also 8 centimeter. Both given same. And refractive indices, first one is 1. I think it's air. Okay. Second one is 1.5. Okay. Whatever it may be, he has given that one. Then asking for the where should be the images formed, that is position. So before going to that, we have to draw some picture. Okay, just observe. So this is the curved surface. He has given only curved surface, transparent. Okay. So then this is the principal axis. Okay. So if we are placing the object here, what is the object distance given? 8 centimeter. Only it is from here only. Let me take this as a pole. Okay. Right. Okay. Let me take this is the pole. Middle only we can take as a pole. Then you have to draw the first ray diagram for this one. Then only we will get the clear picture about this one. So first one, parallel to principal axis. There is no passing through focus like that. Okay, just we have to observe this one. What is this one? First median refractive index is how much given? First median refractive index 1. Second median how much given? 1.5. Then this is the rarer medium, this is the denser medium. So this should be a rarer, this should be a denser. Then automatically rarer medium what? N is less. N is less means V value is how much? More. V value is more. Then here what is the denser? N value is more. N value is more means V value is what? Less. So light is traveling from rarer to denser. Then rarer to denser means what will happen? So V more to V less. It is what happened? It is bending towards the normal. So first we have to draw the normal. In order to get the normal, what we can take? First we have to take the center of curvature. Suppose this is C. So then join this one center of curvature. This is the normal. So this is the normal line. Okay. So V is more to V is less. That means rarer to denser. V is less. Automatically what happened? V is less means bending towards the normal. Observe clearly. N value less. So V value more. N value more. So V value less. So higher speed of light to lower speed of light medium. So higher to lower, what happened? Bending towards the normal. So bending towards the normal means where it will get, it is the far away. So it is a toward. So image is formed here somewhere. Whatever it may be, it will form here somewhere. Okay. So image is formed here. So this is about the image formation. Okay, image formation ray. I am taking the parallel ray. So and I automatically what is that passing through the pole? You can take this one. So you can draw that one. So no need of that one. Okay, why? Because we are not asking the ray diagram. Okay, for our understanding purpose, this is not a convex lens and concave lens. This is just curved surface. For our understanding purpose, I am drawing this one. So in this way, the image is formed. Okay, whatever it may be, we can check it once after that. So then, okay, where it is a at this position image is formed. That means it downside or upside. If you take the another one, so that will be where they are meted, the image will be found there. Okay, for rough understanding purpose, I am drawing this one. Or otherwise, just remove this one. Okay, okay, right. Image is the rays is going like this. Wherever they meet, that will be formed. Okay, right. Then, what is your concept? Just simply see here. PO rays are this direction. PO is opposite direction. So you can take image is a negative. Then or PC rays are going the left to right and PC also from left to right. So this is positive. For N and N2 there is no need of application. Then V, what is the V you will get? So what is that? This is also in this direction. So it is also moving in the same direction. P, that is one. What is that? Image. Okay. So right. Let's apply the curved surface formula. What is that? What is the curved surface formula? N2 by V minus N1 by U, that is equals to N2 minus N1 by R. Simply substitute in this formula, you will get the final answer. That's it. Just observe clearly. For your understanding purpose only, I am drawing this one. Okay, not exactly here. That is moving like that. So that will be formed. Where we will form, we have to find from the formula. That's it. For sign convention purpose, I am drawing this picture. Why? Because this is not a convex and concave. Okay. For concave convex, we can write directly. So N2. What is the N2 value? 1.5 here. You can write the 1.5. 1.5. Okay, right. So this is 1.5. Next N2. Next V. V is how much? That is only you have to find. So minus N1. Where is the N1? That is 1. Then by. Then U. Where is the U? This is minus 8. Where is the sign rule? Minus 8, that is equals to N2 minus N1. N2 is how much? 1.5. 1 minus is 1. 1. So N2 1.5. Then minus should be minus. Then N1 should be what? 1. by, what is the R value here? Plus 8. You can take plus 8. Okay, right? So next, simply do this one, minus minus get cancel. So what do you get? 1.5 by V plus 1 by 8 is equals to 1.5 minus 1. How much? 0.5. 0.5 by 8. So then simply 1.5 by V, this 1 by 8 going to the right side. What will happen? 0.5 by 8. This is minus 1 by 8. Minus 1 by 8. Simply see here 1.5 by V. This is 1 by 8. This is 1.5 minus 1, that is 0.5. So 0.5 by 8, that is minus 1 by 8. So then what do you get here? Again 1.5 by V, that is equals to, total denominator is 8. 8 into 0.5, how much? Okay, whatever it may be. Simply, so both are same now. So simply take this one, 0.5 minus 1. So 0.5 minus 1. How much 0.5 minus 1? Minus 0.5. Minus 0.5 you can take. So see here. So 1.5 by V, that is equals to 0.5 minus 1. How much? Minus 0.5 by 8. So simply what we want? You want V, just simply reciprocal is V by 1.5, that is equals to minus 8 by 0.5. Just observe, I am reciprocal it, V by 1.5 is equal to 8 by 0.5. So from this one, what you get? So if you observe, both are denominators. Point get cancel. 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja. This 3 going to there. What happened? V is equal minus 8 into 3. Total answer is how much? V is equal minus 8 3 ja, 24 centimeter. So this is your answer. Okay, right? So, okay, right? So minus 24 centimeter. So that is about that one. So simply we are getting the 24 centimeter. This is not the case of B and C, between F and C like this. Is just simply curved surface formula. Okay. So this is about that one. By this is the surface. Suppose I am coming. Okay, let's see first of all this one. This is a problem given. I am writing the data. So this is a structure. So this is only pole. You have to take the opposite side. So that is what? Negative. So PC in this direction. So that's why we are taking as a positive. Okay. So then N1 N2 you need not to apply. So this is the total simplification. You will get the final answer is 24 centimeter. Whether check it is little bit right or wrong, we have to check it. Suppose if you, okay, right, just see here. Okay, right. Suppose if you continue this one, you close this one as a sphere, then what is this C? This C should be the midpoint. That means origin. This C should be the origin. Say yes or no? This C should be the origin. Then what will happen? Suppose, okay, right, total problem is over. For your answer understanding purpose, I am drawing this one. So I am just erasing this one. Just see here. I am keep the answer there only. Right. Right. Somewhere the image is formed, right? So suppose, if you are completing this one, this should be which one? A transparent sphere. Then for this sphere, this C should be what? This should actually as a midpoint. What is the PC given? He has given 8 centimeter. So it is 8. Then automatically, how much distance is there in between these two? This is also 8. Totally how much? 8 plus 8, 16. Here, which is the pole? This is the pole. Image is nothing but what? V means what? Pi, right? Pi. Here P is there. I. Totally 24. 8. 8 plus 8. How much? 16. Then what is the 24? Again here. So somewhere here it should be formed. Okay. Somewhere here it should be formed at the. So after this also it is moving up to centimeter. Okay. That means what you get here already we drawn here. So these are meted after 24 centimeter. Suppose if you draw this from this one. So these are meted after 24 centimeter. So this is the nature of the image formed. Understood? For clear purpose, I am showing the conclusion here. Okay, right? So like this. Clear? Just observe. Suppose if you complete this one, that should be a sphere. So 8 centimeter, 8 plus 8, 16, and 16 plus 8, 24. So from this one, what you can observe? Before the sphere, how much distance is their object? After the sphere also, same distance. So simply, you can tell that. So what happened? The refraction is from N1 to N2 and N2 to N1 like that. Suppose if you complete this one for your understanding purpose. If only half, you won't understand. So that's why I am completing this one. 8 plus 8, 16 is over. So remaining 8. So before 8, after 8, both are equal. Right? That's it. So this is about a curved surface formula application. But even a regular, it doesn't give like this problem. It's just asking about the sphere. What is the distance before the sphere, after the sphere? So suppose in the textbook already given. So before the sphere, how much distance is there? After the sphere also, how much distance is there? Equal distance where we have to keep the object. Like that questions will be there. Okay, just this formula is given for the basic knowledge only. He has to write the curved surface formula and explain the terms in it like that. So in rare cases, he has given the problems like this. So it's a very simple. Just write the data and try to draw the picture. This is a different one compared to the other three problems. What is the three formulas? Okay, children. This is about today's topic. In this topic, what we have discussing totally four formulas: lens formula, magnification, and which one? Lens maker's formula and this curved surface formula. In this one, this curved surface formula is a little bit different. Now, all this one you have to remember only one thing. First, write the data. Then, after that, draw the rough picture. Then, what is that? Use the sign convention plus or minus. Then, which is suitable for that one, acting for that one. Write that what is that equation and substitute that one. Whenever substitution, unknown terms, no need to apply the sign convention. Substitute clearly. Take care about the minus sign whenever substitution and do the simplification and compare with your rough diagram. It is correct, it is correct. Suppose any mistakes are there, then cross check it, do that problem. Okay, Nana? Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and share it to your friends. If you have any doubts, please post on the comment box.